Get a load of this antique mall. You want to see it from the side? We're in Memphis, by the way, guys. Don't believe everything that you hear about Memphis. You hear me? It's not the best city, but it's not the worst. We're the number 26, I think 26 or 28 largest city in the United States. So there are many cities, 50 states with many cities and towns. And get a load of this. Oh my goodness. And these are for sale. They're not just here for display. This is not a museum. I am in an antique mall in Memphis. And I want you to get your eyes and peep your eyes on what's for sale. And you tell me you would not like this on a Sunday drive, honey. A Sunday drive to a nice park or to dinner. This is so nice. So nice. Even this BMW is for sale. But look at this. How nice is this? Real shanty. Shanty, shanty, fancy. And you know, I've never been in this mall before. This antique place before. Never driven past it up and down the street. I've gone past so many times and I've never been. And they have some really, really nice stuff. They have nice things. This is in Memphis, Tennessee. And these items are for sale. That green one, 32,500. The blue one has been sold. $28,000 reduced to 1931 Ford Model A. Okay. How nice is it to have this? Feast your eyes on this, people. So nice. So nice. Okay, just wanted to show you this. But and this would be so cool in someone's home. But yeah, really nice. Very, very nice. This is a nice mall. I'll come back and do some footage. It's huge. And I've never been in this one before. But I'll come back and do a little footage. And we'll go from there. Looking at this poster of this guy, look like a jailbreak. All right, guys. Just wanted to show you the nice cars. And it's roped off, so I don't want to go over and disturb anything. But this is really cool. This is cool. So apparently this is this person's location and they're keeping up with everything, but Just feast your eyes on this. Okay.